In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password that you wish to edit, enter your login method and hit Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner, over here. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!